Hi everyone. Well, it's a rare treat tonight, so we should be trying out the Antlia tri-band filter once more, but this time using the refractor, which is a Alta Astro 102 EDR. The moon's at 71% illumination tonight, so it's probably not the best time to image, but you have to take what you can in the UK. So I'll give it a go and see how it fares up. I think I probably had a bought all 6-7 skies as well, so it's going to have its work cut out tonight. So we'll see how good it fares. As you can see, the weather's back to normal UK. Back to being normal UK weather. Never mind. Yeah, the resulting image I got was pretty noisy. I stacked it in DeepSkyStacker, and then I used Graxpert, SIRIL and Photoshop to do the processing. The flats never worked, which is annoying because I've had this a couple of times now. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm usually been okay with flats. I've done the best I can with the noise and everything and managed to flatten off the image the best I can. The Graxpert done a pretty good job. And then I've done some more background extracting in SIRIL, which done a pretty good job as well. So, and then I just done all the noise work in Photoshop. So it's not the best, but it'll have to do. But I've got to say, the Altair doublet, it's a great performer. It almost makes me wonder why would I want to buy a triplet. You know, it's that good. Obviously, if I push the stars hard, yes, the halos there are some halos that will start to appear, but I think it's turned out pretty good. You know, if I'd just got more integration time on it, I think it would have been a nice image, but it is what it is. But yeah, I shall now show you the image at the end of the video. So I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.